everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let's see what is the new enhancement that happens inside Odoo 19.4 e-commerce. So it basically brings several useful updates that focusing on making the online shopping experience in a very smoother for the customers and easier to the business to manage as well. So let's take a look what's new. So here in e-commerce section, there we have three important enhancement or the improvement that happens. So first of all, I'm moving on to the website. Okay. So the first thing is now from Odoo 19.4 onwards, actually customer can now start a return directly from their online portal itself. So here I'm in the admin portal. So let me log out this one. Okay, and okay, wait, I want to show you one more thing. If I'm moving on to the e-commerce and the order session, I'm going to open the portal of Joylverse, and Joylverse is actually created an order through the website, and this is the product, and I've already delivered the product. So once the delivery is validated and it's there at the Joylverse session, what will be happening? He can now simply return that in a spontaneous way from their website itself. How it actually happens, I'll show you. For that, we need to enable one feature inside the inventory module. So move on to the inventory module. Under the configuration settings, you need to allow the spontaneous return. Okay. So under the operation side, you can find them. So let it load. So there we have the spontaneous return. So I'm going to search for that one. So there you can see under the operation side, you can see allow spontaneous return. There we have the return days as well. 14 days after the delivery. This is the validation time, and there we have the manage return reasons as well. So you need to enable this feature. After only you just enable this feature, your customer can simply order a product, and if they want to create a return policy, what they can do, simply click on that button. Okay, so I'll show you that as well. So enable this option, do hit the save button once you guys are done with that. Now I am login as a portal user. So I'll show you what will be happening on Joylville's section. Okay, it's log out and I'm going to log in as a portal. So basically with this update, customer can simply log into their portal, and what they can do, select the product they want to return and download their own return label as well. So I just log in as customer portal, and now I'm moving on to the orders that I've already created, which means this is actually joyables. Okay, so there we have the sale order, the joyables created one. So then now you can see here we have a option like a button to create a return. So simply click on this option, you will get a wizard. So this is the return product. So how many quantity that you should return, you can provide the quantity, sorry, not a 10, one quantity, and you can simply select the reason for what kind of reason Joel was going to return this product. So there we have a lot of one. So if I'm putting this as a received wrong item, I can move with the continue option. And now you can see here we have an option to download the return table, label as well. So that's the first and the important improvement that happens. Okay. So if you are using Odoo website or the e-commerce section for your online shopping method or something like that, or implementing that into your business, this will be a very helpful feature. Okay. And one more thing is there, if the product is already returned, and if you are a person who need to check all those product or validating the return and a refund, you don't need to move with the system. Like you don't want to do anything inside your system. If you have a phone, you can simply download Mobo from the Play Store and the App Store, because this is the mobile suite for Odoo. We Cybrosys introduced this tribute to you. Okay, so basically you don't want to use any kind of system or laptop or anything. You can just carry your business inside your pocket. Wherever you are going, you can carry the Mobo, because this is a simple thing. You just need to download them. Okay. So let me know your experience as well. Please move to the description box. I just provided the link for an easy purpose. You can download them and experience it. Okay. Experience it and try on, and let me know your recommendation, your comments. What is your suggestion about the Mobo as well? So please do put on the description box, or sorry, not description box, the comment section. So now let's move on to the second important improvement, which means pay on invoice. For that, log out and let's log in as an admin. Okay, so let me log in as an admin. So once I've done with that, here in Odoo 19.4, this feature is especially helpful for the business that allows trusted customers to purchase product first and pay later through an invoice. Okay. So in certain business, this is also useful. So if I'm moving on to the website session, I'll show you if we are putting any product inside our cart and moving on to the payment stage, there we have an option to pay on invoices. So let me move on to the shop and I'll show you a simple example. Okay. So if this product is going to put on the cart, let me add this one and adding to the cart. Let's view on the cart. Now let's check out. So there we have address. After confirming your address, we just need to move on to the payment session, right? So simply move on to the payment session. And there you can see here we have an option to pay on invoices. So if you want to do that, you can simply opt that one and you can click on confirmation. Okay. So this will be a very useful feature. So with this option, customer can confirm their orders without making an immediate online payment. So they just need to pay on later. So the business can actually handle the invoice process according to its normal payment terms as well by using this method. So that's the second thing. Now let's move on to the third one, which means an improved product search. So how we can do them? If I'm moving on to the shop, like suppose if I'm the customer, now customer can simply search for the product they need. So there we have an improved thing. If I want to get anything that in a different attribute or a variant size, like if I want a black t-shirt, so I just want to simply search for the black one. So if I'm just searching for on the search bar for black, what you can see is a lot of product is there and its variants and the attribute also find from here. Okay, so the attribute is in a color and there we have the variants which you can see the black or something like that. Okay, so this is also very useful thing. So this makes it easier for the customer to find exactly what they are looking for inside your website. Okay. So these are the main and important improvements or the enhancement that happens inside the e-commerce section. So I hope you all understood. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till the next video. Bye bye.